Hi, I'm here with our Kids Take and Make for August of 2024. We're going to be making a mosaic tissue paper sunflower today, so let's get started. For art supplies, we have a sunflower template, your piece of cardstock, and then 4 pieces of tissue paper in yellow, green, blue, brown, and a glue stick. You can also use scissors or just tear the tissue paper with your hands like I'm doing here. To get started, you'll want to take your sunflower template and glue it to your piece of cardstock. This gives you a firm back to put your template on. Once you've glued that down, you can get started with tearing your tissue paper. You can go in any order you like. I'm starting with brown for the center of our sunflower. So you can either cut your tissue paper into small bits or just tear it apart and crunch it up. Either way, you'll start putting down your tissue paper on your template and it'll start to look like something. Once the center is all filled out, I move on to the yellow petals. And then once those are filled out, I go with the green, the leaves of the sunflower, and then the blue surrounding it. And once again, you can do this in any order you'd like. There's no wrong way to do this. And once you've crunched your tissue paper up and you've glued it down bit by bit, you will have your sunflower. Let it dry and hang it up in the window. Good job.
Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag at Mesa County Lib in your post.